Hi, Bob Murphy here today, owner of Central Jersey Security Cameras. Today I'm here with my wife Alicia and Major Cat from the Salvation Army of Asbury Park, New Jersey. Every year we make our way down to one of the Salvation Army locations to give some toys for children that need it and a little bit of cash, which is really, what they can use right now. The Salvation Army really needs your help, especially this year with demand being so high, record highs, and supply being lower than it normally is. They could really use your help. So if you've never given a donation in the past, make this your first time. It'll make you feel great. If you have donated in the past, please don't forget and come back. And please remember, this is a year-long effort. It's not just because this time of year or what's going on now, but they can use your help all year long. Remember, not everybody is as fortunate as some of us. So if you can give a little, just please come down and do it. Some of the items you may still need are...
Yeah, we could definitely use new coats for children in particular, older kids as well. And then, of course, toys. We're still packing, we're about halfway through.
We saw your toy room.
Toys. Yeah. So, it's quite the endeavor. So, yeah.
Okay. Well, once again, we really appreciate what these volunteers do. Come down here and just, work for the community and try to give to those people that don't have. And if there's anything you can do, just do it a little bit. Just don't forget. Don't forget about Salvation Army this year and all year long. So I'd like to give you that as well.
Thank you very much.
No
we
problem.
greatly appreciate
No
you
problem.
and your support this Christmas.
Happy holidays and good luck with your efforts.
Thank you. Thank you.